Sicily is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. The island has a rich history influenced by various cultures, including the Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Normans. Mount Etna, one of the world's most active volcanoes, is located on Sicily. The island is famous for its unique blend of Greek and Roman archaeological sites, with several UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Sicily is known for its diverse landscapes, including mountains, beaches, and vineyards. The capital of Sicily is Palermo, a city with a vibrant street food scene. The Sicilian language differs significantly from Italian and has influences from Arabic and Spanish. Sicily is the birthplace of the famous Greek philosopher Empedocles. The island has a warm Mediterranean climate, making it a popular tourist destination year-round. Carnaval di Sciacca is one of Sicily's most famous carnivals, known for its colorful parades and floats. Sicilian cuisine features a variety of dishes influenced by different cultures, such as couscous and arancini. The island is home to the ancient city of Syracuse, where Archimedes was born. Sicily has 5 main provinces: Palermo, Catania, Messina, Trapani, and Agrigento. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento contains some of the best preserved ancient Greek ruins. Sicily is also known for its wine production, particularly from the Nerello Mascalese grape. The island's coastline stretches over 1,000 kilometers, featuring stunning beaches and cliffs. Sicily is famous for its street markets, such as Bellaro and Buxeria in Palermo. The island was a pivotal location during World War II, especially during the Allied invasion in 1943. Sicily is known for its colorful ceramics, particularly from the town of Caltagirone. The Sicilian puppetry tradition, known as Opera dei Pupi, is recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. The word Sicilian comes from the ancient Greek name Sicilia. Sicily's coast is dotted with beautiful islands, including the Aeolian Islands and the Egadi Islands. The island has a rich tradition of folklore and mythology, including tales of the Cyclops. The Sicilian flag features the emblem of the Trinacria, symbolizing the island's triangular shape. Mount Etna has shaped not only the landscape but also the culture and gastronomy of the region. Sicilian lemon is one of the island's famed products, known for its intense flavor and aroma. The island boasts beautiful Baroque architecture, particularly in cities like Noto and Ragusa. Sicily has a long tradition of producing handmade pasta, including biziate and pasta alla norma. The island is known for its rich biodiversity, with many endemic plant and animal species. Sicilian almond pastries, such as marzipan, are famous throughout Italy. The island has many small fishing villages that offer fresh seafood, like Trapani and Marsala. Sicily is also the home of the famous dessert, cannoli, made of pastry shells filled with ricotta cheese. The island's strategic location has made it a crossroads for trade and cultural exchange for centuries. The ancient Greek theater in Taormina offers breathtaking views of Mount Etna and the sea. Sicily has a multi-layered culinary tradition, influenced by Arabs, Spanish, and Normans. The island is famous for the Vespa, a popular Italian scooter often seen throughout towns. Sicilian oranges, particularly the blood orange, are prized for their sweetness. The island's artichokes, particularly from the town of Sicily, are known for their exceptional quality. Sicilian cart decoration is a colorful folk art representing the island's history and culture. The island has a network of ancient Greek ruins, including the temples at Selinunte and Segesta. Sicily played a significant role in the development of the Mediterranean diet. The island has several natural reserves, including the Zingaro Nature Reserve, known for its stunning coastline. The historic port city of Messina serves as a gateway between Sicily and the Italian mainland. Sicily's vineyards are often located on volcanic soils, particularly around Mount Etna. The island has a vibrant contemporary art scene, with numerous galleries and festivals. Seafood is a staple in Sicilian cuisine, with dishes such as spaghetti alla bonvol, clam spaghetti. The island's rural areas are known for traditional farming techniques and olive oil production. The Palio di Trapani is a traditional horse race held annual in the city. Sicilian festivals, such as the Feast of Saint Agatha in Catania, attract thousands of visitors each year. The island is characterized by picturesque hilltop towns, such as Eris and Savoca.